That is so fetch.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaiya and this is Bothering Me. Today we are going to be listening to Autopsy and their songs Flesh Crawl and Torn from the Wound. Flesh Crawl is a 35-minute instrumental and Torn from the Wound is an actual song, so I figured let's just listen to them together. Now I am doing a full album deep dive into Mental Funeral. It will be available on my Patreon for all tier 2 plus members, so that's just $5 if you want to watch that video. You can just try it out. It's $5 for the month. I have a ton of reactions up on my Patreon. Just try it if you want to. Obviously I understand if you can't. At least give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend, and comment down below what you think about this Autopsy record, Mental Funeral. So without further ado, let's get into Flesh Crawl and Torn from the Womb. Kind of black metal-y. Nice. Goes right into Torn from the Womb. Nice. Whoa. Call back. Yep. Yep. I like this song. I like this song. It's definitely got the tribal drum sound of Roots, Bloody Roots. And in fact, I want to look and see when that record came out. Oh my gosh. Sepultura. It was... Is it called... No, it was called Roots. Roots came out in 96, huh? So they actually came out with Arise in 91, which came out like 1 month earlier. Arise by Sepultura came out a month earlier before Mental Funeral by Autopsy. That's crazy. Isn't that insane? What a timeline. They're definitely capitalizing on this whole tribal drum sound. Like, I don't know if Sepultura got inspiration for that sound with this record. It could be possible, but I'm definitely getting that, even though Roots was after this. Excuse me. Torn from the Wound. I like it. I like it. It's got, you know, the death metal, the punk, this was kind of a doomy sound to it too. It was kind of doom-esque. I like it, and I really enjoyed this callback that they did in the lyrics. It was very trippy because they just let it just like drone out. Bred just to die, we are torn from the womb, slowly to decay till we meet our doom. Total callback, super trippy. I also love the torn that they do right before they go into this kind of like second verse, I guess you could say. There's not a whole lot of lyrics for this song, but I enjoyed it. And I liked how Flesh Crawl, the instrumental, was kind of just an interlude into Torn from the Womb. And it just fades up and goes right into Torn from the Wound. It's a great way to just play with the listener to add more to it, and I enjoy it. So you're gonna have to let me know what you think about Autopsy. What do you think about Mental Funeral as a whole? What's your favorite song? What's your favorite Autopsy record? What do you think about Autopsy? Oh, it's Oakland, California death metal. All right, I'm here for it, because this is 80s is when they were formed, 87. So at the time of, you know, Bay Area thrash metal in California being kind of like the birthplace for that. Now you got in the same era, Bay Area, you know, death metal. Interesting. Which is your favorite, Bay Area death metal or Florida death metal? That should be the question. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to subscribe to the channel, please feel free to do so. I post weekly videos documenting my metal journey as a brand new metalhead. I also have a Discord, the Mosh Pit. There's an invite link down below in my description, as well as my P.O. box if you want to send something to be featured in one of my metal monthly unboxing videos. I also will have this entire album deep dive available on my Patreon, including Celtic Frost and Candlemass, as well as Dream Theater and tons of other deep dives that I've done. I have Obituary Solo We Rot on there, just to kind of tell you what's on there. Acid Baths, you know, As the Kite String Pops is on there. It's only $5 for you to join. So if you're interested, you can try it out for a month, and then you can just say sayonara after that if you want to. It's okay with me. But it really goes a long way, helps out the channel. So if you want to do that, you know, more than just viewing, that's a way you can do it. Otherwise, make sure you like this video and share it with a friend and comment down below. It helps the channel out a lot. So I really appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Yes.